The Southern Lapwing is a relatively large and conspicuous shorebird. They have a distinctive color pattern with a white belly, black chest, gray head, and a bronzy shoulder. The wings are boldly patterned in flight. They have a bright red, piercing eyes. These beautiful birds, which are normally seen in pairs, can also occur in small flocks. They're well at home anywhere near water, but can also be seen in marshy grounds and on pastures. The Southern Lapwing has a loud grating call. Sometimes they are heard well before they are seen. They're relatively brave shorebirds and would sound the alarm